AJB.
I don't show love unless it's earned, I learned that plenty times. Can't wait for you to give me flowers, let them bitches die. Just like the boy who cried wolf, I let out plenty cries. This game we call life ain't fair, but I've been on plenty rides. Real nigga been in situations I could've really died. So many people done lied to me, I heard too many lies. Your favorite rapper ain't 100, these niggas in the sky. Certain shit, my girl be telling me that I can't tell the guys. I looked at my dog and he ain't real, I seen it in his eyes. I separated, now it's easy just to recognize. All of the bullshit going on, they like to televise. I cop a half-ticket vacation just to catch a vibe. I took a flight just to be closer by my granny's side. I swear family ain't been the same since my granny died. Just let my brother know we locked in, we got mob ties. I put all my soul into this music, this shit all I got. I won't let nobody take this shit from me. Remember back when I was little, now I'm in the big league. Start losing hope, you gotta find a way to get on your knees. Behind my back, niggas ain't real, they ain't gon' bleed how I bleed. But that's expected cause the pain what really made me. I like to think me and my girl Beyonce, Jay-Z. I roll a blunt, get in my feelings, please don't play me. Heart on my sleeve, I love too hard, this shit get crazy. But please don't give up on me, I've been hurt, that's just my pain reaction. Lately I've been having mental breakdowns for some things that happen. And I'm sorry if I get it wrong, this shit gon' take some practice. I seen what love can do to you, I left my heart in traffic. Got out the car and walked away, yeah, yeah. I wish sometimes we never had to feel this pain, yeah, yeah. Where does my mama go through hell still to this day, yeah, yeah. About my daughter, I won't hesitate to spray, yeah, yeah. Somebody help me, this ain't normal to be acting this way. How many times I gotta cry for you to start noticing? This pain ain't normal, I need help, I know things been kinda strange. My heart been broke, I have no tears left, so that's why I don't show love unless it's earned, I learned that plenty times. Can't wait for you to give me flowers, let them bitches die. Just like the boy who cried wolf, I let out plenty cries. Game we call life ain't fair, but I've been on plenty rides. Real nigga been in situations I could've really died. So many people done lied to me, I heard too many lies. Your favorite rapper ain't 100, these niggas in the sky. Certain shit, my girl be telling me that I can't tell the guys. I looked at my dog and he ain't real, I seen it in his eyes. I separated, now it's easy just to recognize. All of the bullshit going on, they like to televise. I cop a half-ticket vacation just to catch a vibe. I took a flight just to be closer by my granny's side. I swear family ain't been the same since my granny died. Just let my brother know we locked in, we got mob ties. I put all my soul into this music, this shit all I got.